Hey there, it's Kay White with Girls in Finance. I am coming live today as a part of our 31-day challenge for the month of May, and today is day 28. Yes. And so we've been going live every day just to get into a routine and habit of going live consistently, I should say. I've been pretty consistent at times. I've actually added Facebook to my process, but in the past I've gone live quite a bit on YouTube. But I'm having fun using StreamYard. That's the tool that I've been using to actually stream both on Facebook and YouTube. And it's just been a real fun experience talking about different things. We started out talking about some personal finance and money management topics, but now we've gone back into AI, which is an area that I love. I have enjoyed learning AI and many of the tools that you can use in your business to help you manage your business better in this fast moving world of artificial intelligence. And so I have implemented a lot of different AI tools, utilizing them in my business, using AI for everything from if I need to create posts to doing things like creating forms for different things that I need, and especially the art. I have a brand called Girls in Finance, and AI has been just a game changer with creating content and images that really help me amplify my brand. And I will tell you this one exciting thing being an African American and at this whole space and having a business and growing your business and all of that is just having good images, good quality stock images. Well, AI has made that a lot simpler, and it's really put having access to the images that you want right at your fingertips. And that's important to me as an African American because I want to be sure that young girls, especially because my brand is Girls in Finance, I want to be sure that young African American black girls have images that reflect them in a positive way. So that's really important to me. I provide and support a lot of diverse images and creations, all of that, but it's especially fun to be able to have stock images that reflect positive images for African American women. So, having said that, let's go into today's topic. And I've just kind of been doing this off the cuff, as they say, and just kind of determining what I want to talk about as I go through the process. But I was thinking just before I got on that I'm going to look at a project that I was working on and didn't finish, and something I need to finish. And summer is really here, I should say, and I was looking at wedding images and creating various wedding images. So I'm going to go to that now. And I might actually jump into ChatGPT and Dial E, the art generation tool, and just demonstrate to you some additional wedding images and how I would go about creating them. So let's get into Canva. Once I create a lot of my images using DALL-E 3, ChatGPT's AI art tool, I typically will move those images over to Canva and play around with them there. If I need to enhance them or remove something, any of that, Canva is just outstanding for that. Has a great AI or has AI tools inside of it that makes life just wonderful. But I'm going to go ahead and just kind of change this screen. I'm going to go into Canva. I'm going to find, I created just a wedding lookbook is what I called it, but it's simply just more of a book with full of wedding images. And what I was thinking when I first created this book, I thought it would be great to have just various wedding images and then include the prompts from all of the images so you'll kind of see where I started here. And this is like three generations here. The daughter getting married, her mom and grandma there is what this represents to me. So I thought that was pretty neat. And I did use a specific prompt to create this image, and as we go down, you'll see other images. And the reason you'll see new arrivals, and this says 2023. Now, this was a template that I got off of Canvas. So I need to go into this file and just go throughout it and just kind of edit out some of the things that are in here. And again, the idea was to put the actual prompts below the images so that the person will have the prompts right at their fingertips when they purchase this prompt guide from me. So I love these images here. These are really, really cute images. And and again, I left a blank space so I could go back and put the actual prompts inside. And look at these. All of these are just various wedding images. I thought they all came out pretty well. And I like the style. Again, I've got to do a lot of editing on these. And I want to say this particular one has a lot of pages. Well, no, it's not bad. I have 17 pages, it looks like. And so actually, I didn't even finish with all the images. I actually have more, and I was trying to make it, use different Canva templates and just kind of enhance the templates. But all the images in this will be wedding images, and I will share the prompts for the images. And I'm going to go over here to my upload section because I thought I actually uploaded a lot of these wedding photos. Let's see. I have a lot of stuff in here. But I was trying to get to some of the wedding images, and maybe I did not upload them yet. I was thinking that I did. I have so many different projects going on. You can see some of the coloring books over here on the left that I've worked on. And I'm going to keep scrolling down here because yes, these are the wedding images here. And so I have quite a bit of these wedding images, so I probably will end up with two different prompt guides to demonstrate how you can create the images for yourself if you needed wedding images. A lot of these are really, really cute images, and every one of them was created by Chat GPT's DAL-E 3 art generation tool. So um, that that's the process. You can see the templates are really the pages of the wedding lookbook, as I'm calling it, or prompt guide are all laid out here. And so all I've got to do is go back in here and edit some of them. So I wanted to take a person from the initial starting of the day, I guess, on the front cover with mom and grandma there on the image, all the way through just various wedding experiences. I love these images here. I think they look really nice and came out great. All of these, just kind of shots of a bride. I did a lot of those, and then I started going through the actual wedding party with the bride with the bridesmaid, and then a father, and then the couple, and so on and so forth, all the way down to cutting of the cake, right? And so I do have more. Just to give you an example here, I'll add into this book or a different one, an image like this, the couple zooming off. Hold on a second. Let me redo that. The couple zooming off on their honeymoon, off to their honeymoon, I should say. And then the actual wedding party, I thought that was a really cute image, how that came out. And even the cake itself. Isn't that cute? The big tall cake. And then the daughter with the grandpa, I'm going to say, or it could be dad. I'm looking at the gray hair, but that could be dad. And so I just all really cute and neat wedding pictures and images that you could use for your own projects. And with the prompts, you could create even more of your own and get your own unique design. So that was the idea behind this. And let's see. I think that is. Oh, let me show you this one. These with the ring. I like these. And I, this is, since they're already married, I guess this could be a church image where the fiance, soon to be husband, is giving her a ring. But I specifically asked in this prompt to showcase the ring so you can see, you actually can see that it has a lot of shine to it. So it's a brightly shining diamond here that he's putting on her finger. And I laughed when I saw this other one because it is a super diamond. Look at that. And so I thought that look, they don't look like they're actually at the altar, but she's, maybe this is afterwards, and she's just kind of admiring the ring. I say that, but you can create whatever you like as you are creating images for any project. But this was just a really fun project to do. The couple eating cake together, and then champagne glasses for and toasting, I guess, for that image. But again, something fun, something for the summer, something that you could actually sell on one of the many digital download platforms like, oh my goodness, Etsy is a big one. A lot of people use PayHip, and there are others, but that this is an excellent way for you to start creating art and even start making money from the images that you create. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, show you today, and I'm going to go ahead and probably get off because this was intended to be a really quick session, and we're at what, about 13 minutes now. And so I'm going to stop, and another time, maybe tomorrow, I will delve into some of the other projects that I have going on. I love, let me go back to the full screen. I love showcasing and helping you learn how to use your art, create art, and even adding content and elements to your art inside of Canva, and showing you how to use the templates and how to bring your digital images into the templates on Canva and creating something that you can actually sell as a digital download. So it's just a lot of fun. And that is where I'm going to end today. It's been fun hanging out with you. Again, this is Kay White, Girls in Finance, and teaching you how to monetize your AI art and do it with fun and ease using AI tools. And so that is all today. You take care and have a great evening, and we'll talk again tomorrow as we work to finish out our 31 days of going live in May. All right, take care.